Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I like to do different things on this channel, hauls, crafts, but today I'm going to do a review. I was contacted by this company named BLEDS to review a cordless hot glue gun. So of course I said yes. This is how this came. Nice packaging. And I did open this so I could charge this because, of course, you know, to do a review, we need to have it charged and use it. So here is the stand for it. You just put it, insert it in here, and then it stands. So then it comes with the USB cord, and I just charged it on my laptop. Okay, and so it also came with all of these glue sticks. $20 glue sticks, and then all these different colors of glitter glue sticks. So we'll need one of these. Okay, so I did charge it, and before you charged it, this was on red. The light lit up red, and then once it was fully charged, the light lit up green. And then it says, I'll go ahead and put this in so this will warm up. It says you need to wait 1 to 3 minutes, I think. Whoops. Gotta take a beating around here. The blue light is on. After preheating for 1 to 3 minutes, push the trigger to extrude the glue. The blue light is put out when lacking power. So this will go off when you are lacking power. It has a full charge, so we'll see how long that will be before it dies. I will be leaving that on so I can tell you. It took about maybe not an hour. I should have timed it, but I didn't. But I'm going to say a good 30, 35, maybe even close to 40 minutes to charge it all the way. This is what I'm going to make. I have already cut these most of the way to where I want them. I'm just going to make a couple little tiny Christmas pillows. I made some of these last year, and I want to send out a couple pocket letters at Christmas. So I wanted to make a couple more of these for Christmas. And I want to get that red truck all the way in there. I'm going to get these as close to the same size as I can. I'm going to make a few of these to have them in my stash, but I'm just going to make 2 different ones on camera to show you how you can do these both ways. Okay, it's still a little bit cold. Okay, while we're waiting on that to heat up a little bit more, I have already printed out on my Cricut on some heat transfer vinyl the words Merry Christmas. So we'll go ahead and get that weeded out. When you're working with heat transfer vinyl, of course, you want to make sure you get any little speck of black off of there, anything that doesn't belong, because it will iron it right onto your project. Okay, so that's the black Merry Christmas. Let's check our glue gun. Still seems a little thick to me. I can smell it that it's heated up, so we'll try it here as soon as we finish weeding this one. lost our little dot to the eye. There we go. This is anytime you're working with vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, any of that vinyl, you can easily mess up even once you have it cut. Vinyl is so it's like a love-hate relationship with the vinyl. It's just it's odd. And that, it doesn't matter any brand that you get. So, okay, I'm turning on my little mini heat press. And I'm just going to use this to iron on. All right, so let's go ahead and try to see if this is going to work here. Okay, I'm just going to take this, go right along the edge. I like how it's pretty precise, and I'm not squeezing the trigger real hard. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of stuffing. Oh, probably better do this first. All right. So on this pillow, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the Merry Christmas on the back. Anytime you're doing heat transfer, you want to heat that up a little bit before you put it on there. Just using some parchment paper. Now, if you're really organized, you will know which of your heat transfer paper is cool peel or hot peel, which means you can peel it when it's warm or you can peel it when it's cold, right? When it's cooled off. I just put all mine together, but so you can tell by when you start to pull this, if it's going to stay down, you want to pull it slowly, then you can go ahead and so this will be a hot peel because it's still hot. So you just want to easily pull it off. You never want to just rip it. And there we go. So I got my heat tool on that glue right there. Pulled that through. All right. And I always just like to go right back over that just a little bit without the film over it. All right. I shouldn't have got that right there. So that is my fault there to why that glue popped through there. But that's okay. All right, so I'm going to put the stuffing down in here. just going to take this and trim this up a little bit. Okay, so then you have just this little tiny pillow. You can use this for anything, just for decoration, or I like the at Christmas time. Well, you could make these for any holiday, of course, with any type of with any material. But these are fun to stick in a pocket letter. This might be just a little bit too big, but you can just add them with a pocket letter. But so you got to make sure you just stay off the edge like I just did. So we'll make one more. So far, I really like this glue gun. Just going to make another thin line. Be careful doing this. You don't get burned if you do this, this project. And we have finger protectors, of course, but we never use them, right? Okay, just one more here. Oh, I really like this, and I love that there's no cord. Okay. Okay. Okay, then we just want to go along the edge again. Just a thin line. Youch, hot. There you go, except for this here. Remember, you guys stay away from the edge there when you do this. You could even put this on before, but you know, you just need to center it in there. So, you know, I could put it on before I even glue that down. I don't know why I didn't do that, but hindsight's always 20/20, right? So those are a cute little pair of pillows. Just, you know, just a little miniature gift. Just you can give to somebody. You can stick it up on a shelf. You could put these on a tiered tray. You know, you could add a bow to these or anything that you wanted to add to these to decorate them. So, yeah, I think that this is a, you know, a nice glue gun. I didn't have any problems with this falling over. I like that. The stand didn't come off. It's on there well. And you have your on and off button, and it didn't take very long for it to heat up. I am going to leave this on. Okay, it is 2:29 p.m. And I'm going to leave that on, and then I will be able to tell you how long it took it before it died. Okay, so this lasted about a half an hour after I wrote down the 2:29 p.m. So all together, from the time I started, from the time I turned this on until it died was about an hour. So you'll get about an hour use out of this battery. So that's not too bad. I think, you know, so yeah, not too bad. So just wanted to let you know how long you had on that battery. Okay, if you are interested in this, I will link this down in my description. Also, they wanted me to review, or ask me if I would review. I will link this in the description, along with this paper. And I just thought this paper was so pretty. This paper is acid-free and lignin-free. And I didn't know what lignin was, so I looked that up. And I guess what it's put in paper, but it like makes your paper yellow over time. So I guess they've started taking that out. It also is like some sort of acid. So this is acid and lignin free. Look how pretty that is with the candy canes and the what do they call those? Lollipops. But is there another name for that with the, I'm not sure. But that is so pretty. And you can hear how thick that is. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, so pretty. I just love this paper. This is so pretty. Oh, look, the ice skates. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, all the trees. Socks. Well, stockings, right? Oh, look how pretty this is. This will be fun for New Year's, like maybe a New Year's. Oh, I love it. I just love this paper. So traditional. Oh, this is so pretty. Christmas season. 6x6, 12 designs times 2 sheets, 160 gram. Wooden free paper, acid free and lignin free. Very pretty. I love this. You know, I was given this for the review, but I will like to order this paper. It's very pretty. Okay, I will link these down in my description. I hope if you're interested, you will check them out. And, you know, I love this glue gun. I love the collars. And I think this is, yep, still going strong, unplugged. Get another glue. Well, I'll do that later. All right. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is that you are watching this. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.